Alright, welcome to my channel. I have a puzzle box here. I got it from Etsy just a moment ago, and I'd like to share it with you and solve it together. It's a wooden puzzle box. It's called the Orion puzzle box. And it's supposed to be 24 steps. And I haven't done one of these puzzles before. I guess it's a sliding puzzle. So let's see how it goes. This is the solution, and I'm hoping that we're not going to need it, so I'm going to put it aside. And we'll get right into it. Now, I haven't done this before, but it seems like, some sides can just slide right over, but I'm sure they're being locked by certain pieces within this. And it's a beautiful, simple puzzle box, and it looks very nice. Let's see here. This part slid open, so I'm hoping that similarly this part does the same. Alright. Now what? Can I push this out? No. Yeah, this looks like it wiggles a little bit, and I pushed it through by mistake already. So now, can I push these? No. No. Maybe I can slide these over. Yeah. There we go. Just like that. Hopefully, now the sides can release. Just like this. Now what to do? These definitely look secure. I don't think I can move the tops and the bottom of this puzzle. Let's try to, if I can do this, maybe pull out. There we go. And then can I push this out more? Yeah, just a little bit. Can I take it out now? Nope. What if I slid? There we go. Slid this closer together because I pulled it out. Maybe I can again pull the sides. Can I pull this side? Come on. No? Yeah, just being it was stuck by this thing. Wasn't pulled all the way to the side to release this one. I just want to see if I can pull this out. Can I pull this out anymore? There we go. Just a little stuck. Now I'm hoping that this comes out. There we go. So I got this piece out, but I don't know if this is the end of the puzzle. I assume not, because I think there's a compartment inside, and I hear something in here that I need to release or free. But how can I? Can't push this. I can't open this. If I go in reverse, or am I doing it a very complicated way? No, I don't think I could do it like that. So, let me try to, what if I could, can't take these out, like that. There we go. Well, putting it back together is going to be difficult, so I'm going to try to organize it as best I can, so I remember which piece goes where. Let's try it with the other side now. Oh, this comes off too. Cool. Yep, so that side, this comes off. And I don't think I can release any of these. But maybe I can. There we go. There you have it. Compartment released, and I freed the coin. It says Orion on there because it's the Orion puzzle box. And now we put it back together. And that should be fun. I always feel like putting it back together is sometimes more difficult than taking it apart. Final piece. Fits like a glove, and now start closing it up. There you have it. The Orion puzzle box. Solved. Now, I don't know if it took 24 steps. I'm assuming it did. I didn't count it, but that wasn't that bad. It was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it.